3, our Winston Cup drivers. A lot of experience there. Right now it doesn't look like Purvis can keep up with the front four. He's lost a little ground. That Biffler going by there?
Looks like it is, yes.
Putting him down another lap. Back on track, trying to collect some more championship points if he can gain another position or two.
At least he's going to have a good seat for the finish.
Yeah. Oh, trouble. Casey Mears spins out of 10th place.
I started to say maybe the race is going to be over, but we have 6 laps to go, so even if they throw the caution flag, there will be a restart.
No yellow. Across they go.
And Mears has his car moving on the backstretch slowly, but it's moving.
NASCAR race control radioing to their spotters on the backstretch saying there is no debris. And so we keep going.
It didn't look like the Mears had made contact with the outside retaining wall.
And the leaders will come by Casey Mears' car as he tries to limp back toward pit road. He'll be on their inside as they come down toward the start-finish line. Dave Burns.
Alan, the 2 leaders, there was more in that conversation where Junior said, hey, remember, I helped you get your lap back. But Michael said, yeah, but it's my... but Junior said it was his turn to win because Michael won on Thursday. So back and forth it goes. Bobby Kennedy did tell me again, he's going to let these guys work it out. He doesn't know what, if anything, is going to happen.
Tony, based on what we've seen so far this week with the Winston Cup cars, if Michael's going to try and make a move, he can't wait till the last lap to do it.
He better be working on it right now. It takes a long time to get everybody in sync to where he has to get Matt Kenseth and everybody behind him all in sync to give him the run that he needs, and you can't just do it in one spurt. You have to do it 3 or 4 times to get everybody synced together to where you can get that big run.
If you're third in line, is it easier to go with the guy that's second now or pull up with the guy that's leading?
I think I'd have to take a chance with the guy that's second right now. If he pulls out, he's going to have the momentum.
A little bit of block in here. Matt Kenseth looking under Michael Waltrip.
I think it also depends on what the guy behind you is going to do.
Exactly.
Michael gives him room.
But now Michael comes back.
Uh-oh. Oh, Jeff Purvis spins out of 5th. This is the race back to the finish if they throw the yellow. So far, no caution.
No caution yet.
Watching the starter stand. Watching as Dale Earnhardt Jr. leads Michael Waltrip off the corner. No yellow flag.
2 laps to go.
Call from the backstretch is clear over here. Jeff Purvis loses a top 5 finish. Who's next?
Oh, boy, it's going to be tough for anybody to do anything with him. Matt's got to have Jason Keller go with him, and like Tony said earlier, they've got to do it now. Junior goes down low on the backstretch, trying to hold off any pass. We're trying to get some Bradson help off his brother, Kerry, that was out there in the 12 car. Here comes Kenseth once again, and that's 17.
White flag this time by.
Michael Waltrip leaving that inside lane tantalizingly open as they come to the white flag. Final lap at Daytona. Will it be Earnhardt Jr.? Will it be Waltrip? Or can Kenseth sneak through for the win? Kenseth has had 2 looks underneath Michael Waltrip. But Waltrip has not yet made a bid on Earnhardt Jr. Kenseth's waiting at Jason Keller behind him.
Doesn't have help with
Michael Waltrip with a bob and a weave, but not enough to get alongside. Driving a Richard Childress number 3, made famous by his father. Here comes Dale Earnhardt Jr. to the start-finish line. Checkered flag. He wins at Daytona.
Great job, all you guys. Bobby,
Just like last July, Michael Waltrip pushes Dale Earnhardt Jr. home to victory. A little congratulatory donut there.
Put an Oreo on the door.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Very good.
This is an Earnhardt Jr. in the NASCAR Busch Series. Had so many great finishes.
Matt Yoakum.
Well, Bobby Leslie and Bobby Hutchins hugging, trying to get in here. I'll tell you what, a very special and a very hard win today.
It's kind of like Holmes, RCR and Carl with a 3 on it, and Earnhardt going to victory lane with us. It's awesome. We got to thank Oreo and Ritz and Nabisco for what they've done for us this week. This guy right here, Bobby Leslie, put this baby in victory lane.
Bob, do you ever think those old tires would hold up like that and let him go to victory lane?
When you got Dale Earnhardt driving, it'll hold up. He did a great job. Great job.
A big and very special win down here in the 3-pit. Dale Jr. with his first Busch race at Daytona.
Will Lynn, Danny Lawrence giving Bobby a hug.
People have worked with Dale Earnhardt for years and years and years. What a treat it will be for them.
Oh, this is so special for that whole crew and the driver.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Good thing he's doing that on the grass. I don't think there's much rubber left on those things too on the pavement.
Remember this scene?
Nice job, Dale.
Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s third NASCAR Busch Series race at Daytona. His first victory. We'll talk with him in the winner's circle when we come back.